Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Patterson Kelley twin shell blender with liquid solids dispersion bar, you see right in there, operating on 115 230 voltage, and the bar will not operate unless you have the shell drive on. I'm going to see if we can give you a little look at that. It's going to be as it's passing. And that's your liquid solids dispersion bar. This is the 4-quart model. It's rated for 150 pounds per cubic foot by Patterson Kelley, of course. So there's your liquid inlet right there. 3rd and 1/4 horse drives for the shell and bar respectively. The bar is usually the larger drive. We have lots of these type of blenders in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We have everything in process and packaging. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.